design a dress for this woman, Blair. If you're gonna wear one of my designs, tell me so we can at least get it properly fitted.
Properly. Properly.
Tell me so we can at least get it properly fitted.
So, Nate, you started thinking about college?
Well, actually, I'm a Dartmouth man.
Yes, Dad's always spoken very highly of Dartmouth, but
Highly. Highly.
Yes, Dad's always spoken very highly of Dartmouth, but
alone and never get invited to parties.
Works for me.
Mom thinks it's a good idea.
And her judgment is always sound, right?
Judgment. Judgment.
Idea.
And her judgment is always sound, right?
So, you guys want to sit together at lunch?
So cute. They should be framed or something.
Frame. Frame.
They should be framed or something.
Nate will wait.
Spotted on the steps of the Met, an S&B power struggle.
Struggle. Struggle.
An S&B power struggle.
Maybe if musicians got off their blogs and picked up their guitars, the music business would be in better shape. Okay.
Shape. Shape.
The music business would be in better shape.
Okay. You gonna be okay?
Yeah. Yeah, your mom will be back. She's always been a free spirit. It's one of the reasons.
Spirit. Spirit.
Always been a free spirit. It's one of the reasons.
Well, my mom's Paxil? Nathaniel, you're finally about to have sex with your girlfriend. It's like you're headed to your execution.
Execution. Execution.
Girlfriend, it's like you're headed to your execution. Geez, what we're entitled to is a trust fund. Maybe a house in the Hamptons, a prescription drug problem.
Prescription. Prescription.
It's a prescription drug problem. So smoke up and seal the deal with Blair, because you're also entitled to tap that ass.
Entitle. Entitle.
Because you're also entitled to tap that ass.
Great. So my dad left her for another man. She lost 15 pounds, got an eye lift.
Lift. Lift.
She lost 15 pounds, got an eye lift. You missed some classic Eleanor Waldorf meltdowns. If it wasn't such a tragedy, it would have been funny.
Tragedy. Tragedy.
If it wasn't such a tragedy, it would have been funny.
Why so thirsty, S? You may have won over B for now, but we still think you're hiding something.
Hide. Hide.
But we still think you're hiding something.
Hey.
Ah, the Invisible Man returns.
Invisible. Invisible.
Hey.
Ah, the Invisible Man returns. Sipping martinis, all alone. You know, it's actually kind of sad.
Sad. Sad.
You know, it's actually kind of sad. Oh, and, Dad's at the gallery working late. He, left money for dinner, so I was thinking Indian.
Indian. Indian.
So I was thinking Indian.
I love this town. I'm going to have to tell my parents the hotel they just bought is serving minors.
Minor. Minor.
The hotel they just bought is serving minors.
Drinking on an empty stomach.
Heard you didn't do that anymore.
Special occasion.
Occasion. Occasion.
Special
special occasion.
You do love truffles.
Enough to know it's not on the menu.
Good thing I'm connected.
Connect. Connect.
Good thing I'm connected.
And just when B&S had built a bridge.
Bridge. Bridge.
And just when B&S had built a bridge.
Right now, Eleanor Waldorf is gearing up to take her company public, and I've been
Gear. Gear.
Waldorf is gearing up to take her company public, and I've been Waldorf is gearing up to take her company public, and I've been courting her for months to let me handle the deal. Then you should get it.
Handle. Handle.
Me handle the deal.
Then you should get it.
Give up just because things are hard. Not in business. Or if your family is depending on you.
Depend. Depend.
Or if your family is depending on you.
How do you know it was Miss Vanderwoodson's if you didn't read it? And if you're not a guest at the hotel, what were you doing?
Guest. Guest.
If you're not a guest at the hotel, what were you doing?
We're going to a concert tonight.
Lincoln Hawk.
Yeah, Rolling Stone named them one of the top 10 forgotten.
Roll. Roll.
Rolling Stone named them one of the top 10 forgotten.
Lincoln Hawk.
Yeah, Rolling Stone named them one of the top 10 forgotten bands of the 90s.
Band. Band.
Forgotten bands of the 90s. Rolling Stone named them one of the top 10 forgotten bands of the 90s.
I'm a huge fan.
Well, this part.
Fan. Fan.
I'm a huge fan.
Well, this part.
I'm a huge fan.
Well, this party would have been the perfect opportunity for you to announce your return. But I guess.
Announce. Announce.
Opportunity for you to announce your return. But I guess.
For meeting me. Look, Blair, I really hurt you, and I know that.
Hurt. Hurt.
Blair, I really hurt you, and I know that.
Lily, are you shopping for some art to match your furniture?
Furniture. Furniture.
Shopping for some art to match your furniture.
Using my daughter to get to me now that your wife left you?
How do you know about Allison?
Like you said, small island.
Island. Island.
Said small island.
Well, not all of us have settlements from multiple divorces to sustain us.
Sustain. Sustain.
Settlements from multiple divorces to sustain us.
Guess I have time to change.
And put some product in your hair. The ends are dry.
Dry. Dry.
Some product in your hair. The ends are dry.
Freshman.
I love freshmen. They're so...
Fresh.
Fresh. Fresh.
Looks like little Jay might end up with a new boy and a ticket to the inner circle. Or we'll see.
Inner. Inner.
Ticket to the inner circle. Or we'll see.
You guys are a little early. It's going to be a while before we take the stage.
Yeah, I may have slightly over budgeted for travel time.
slightly, slightly,
Yeah, I may have slightly over budgeted for travel time.
Look, I'm gonna do a lap, okay? Look for her.
lap, lap,
Look, I'm gonna do a lap, okay? Look for her.
Really hurt? Someone said she wasn't invited? She's way too deep, Claire.
waist, waist,
She's way too deep, Claire.
So, think I got a shot at a second date?
date, date,
So, think I got a shot at a second date?
Spotted.
spot, spot,
Spotted.